In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save Canva as video. Now, to download as a video, you do need a pro account because this is a pro feature. So please keep that in mind as well. Now, I have this video just here, as we can see. Now, if I want to download this as a video, it's really simple. What we want to do is come up to the share icon just here, then come down to download, and then we want to choose the video format. So right here where it says file type, we're going to click on here, come down to MP4 video, and as we can see, this does seem to be a Canva Pro feature. Now we can play around with the quality with having a 1080p HD video. Now from my personal experience, I believe that's all that you need, but then if we pull this bar all the way down, we can get a 720 or even a 480, or if we go all the way up, we're going to get a 4K video. Now let's go to 1080p. We then want to make sure that all of the pages are selected for this video. So in this I have 3, so we've got all 3 selected. Then we can click download, and now I'm going to have my video. So if we give this a second, we can then check this out. And here we go. This is now the 1080p video which we've downloaded from Canva, and if we press play, we can see what that looks like. Now, one thing to quickly note as well, the good thing about Canva is that you can create up to 2 hours worth of video. But nonetheless, that's how to save Canva as video. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.